We will proceed with the Zepeto item tutorial, making shoes. For those who are starting to create Zepeto items using UModeler X for the first time, I recommend watching the basic tutorials on making short-sleeve t-shirts and shorts first. To create Zepeto items, download and install the template, Zepeto Rigging Helper package from the UModeler Hub. In the Rigging Helper folder, place the pose file and start modeling. Make sure the basic pose modeling does not protrude above the shoe modeling. To start modeling, first create a UModeler X object and then use the box tool to create a box. Since shoes are symmetrical left and right pairs, activate the mirror modifier. Use loop cut to divide the faces and modify the vertices to create a shape similar to a foot. Add edges as needed using loop cut and create the overall shape. Once the shape is somewhat complete, use the subdivide modifier to increase the number of faces overall. The higher the number button in the subdivide options window, the more high poly modeling you can create with more faces, but since Zepeto shoe modeling supports up to 4,000 polygons, we will only do level 1 for now. Remove unnecessary edges or add needed edges to refine the shape. Also, pay attention to the connected shapes of the edges when modifying. Select the necessary faces for the three-dimensional shapes on the shoes and create them by pulling them out using extrude. Refine the details of the shape to complete the modeling. We will open the UV editor for unwrapping. For the shoe's top surface, which is more exposed, unwrap it larger, and for the less exposed bottom, unwrap it smaller. Unwrap the top surfaces together and the bottom surfaces together. Among the top surfaces, unwrap the ones facing the sides separately in different directions. For symmetrical surfaces on the shoes, placing them overlapping will allow for more efficient mapping. Once unwrapping is complete, select the surfaces that should appear smooth and group them into a smoothing group. Now, switch to painting mode for painting. Open the 2D painting window and use the Rect Fill tool to quickly color. If you want to color only a specific face area, use the Polygon Fill tool. Since it follows the shape of the modeling face, you can easily modify the face shape as desired. You can easily add letters or complex patterns through the sticker layer. When all painting is complete, switch to rigging mode and proceed with rigging. From the Zepeto rigging helper folder, import the weight transfer file, duplicate the bone, and easily obtain weight values using the weight transfer tool to complete the rigging. Once rigging is complete, mask parts that don't need to be visible when wearing the shoes. In modeling mode, use the vertex masking tool to paint the invisible surfaces black. Once all processes are complete, export as a Zepeto prefab using the export function and check the exported data in the playground. Preview the exported data, and if it works well, convert it to a Zepeto file and check it on the web as well. After checking the Zepeto file on the web by changing body shapes, if it works well, you have successfully completed making Zepeto item shoes.